This is the best thing you can get. And it's absolutely all the way down the bottom. Right here we have a 6-piece 5-foot vacuum hose. I don't know if you can actually use these as far as your radiator goes. You will have to look more into that, but I will give you these specs. Working pressure for like 43 psi, burst pressure from 100 psi to 130 psi when it comes to high temperature, room temperature. And then it says temperature range, negative 76 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So again, I don't know if you can actually use this for radiator hose replacement. Okay, but as far as vacuum lines, that's how they promote it. Connectors right here, pretty cool. You got T's. If you want to use this as far as like your water line, I'm pretty sure you can for the windshield wiper fluid. So you got 1/8, 5/32, 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8, all types of different sizes. So when you go in there, they have 5-foot length, then they have 10-foot length. All right. And I'm gonna use the same clamp. Slide her in. Slides easy back and forth. Just a little bit of silicone spray. You guys, this is the best thing you can get. And it's absolutely all the way down the bottom. All right, so I changed that one so y'all see how it went. Now I'm going to change the other side. I'm gonna cut the length that I need. If you want it to be longer, you need to do any other adjustments. You have all of your connectors right here. That's the brand name, 128 pieces. They also have reducers. If you want to reduce from big to small, slide it in. And there you go. And then you connect your other hose. We will solve all vacuum leaks now and in the future. Oh, well, there we go. Cut nice and easy. That's it, you guys. I put it down. This is cool. If you need to figure out which one is the airline, that would be cool to color code everything. So I might think about doing that. That would be like a very nice, cool thing to do in the engine. But that will be all, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.